Before I show you the updates with my custom integrator set, two interesting moments what you have to know about it. The recently I posted, so the Grayscale assets list under consideration. And unfortunately, guys, there is no render in the artificial intelligence list. So the WorldCoin virtual Venice, Poseidon, I don't know what is this project about. It's Kite, Grass, Flock, and Robo, and there is no render. But of course, it doesn't mean the render is bad, or it doesn't mean they will invest in all of these AI projects and ignore the render. No, maybe they choose one and only, and so maybe that money from the Grayscale or from the venture funds who work with the Grayscale institutional will inflow into that AI. But maybe after that time, they will add the render also. We can't know, but it means it's good. So if the Grayscale pay attention for the AI sector, it means this sector is not something like NFT. It's not a temporary bubble. And I think the render will stay with us for a long run. All right. What is another, guys, moment what I would like to show you, but it's not confirmed. You remember the signal for the money inflow based on a money power indicator on the daily we added in January, this one. And today, that signal is triggered. So we added it was the January 21 to 26. Now is April, but it's not confirmed. So sometimes you have to pay attention, when the signal is confirmed, not just blinking. So indicator can see the big money inflow into render based on some algorithm what is inside of this code. But after that, the same time, some money outflow, and it's not enough for the confirmed signal. That's why it's just a blinking, but soon I think we will see the real money inflow, and I wish to see the drop to the weekly favorable gap. My alert still added this one, so it's around $1.49. It's a close of weekly favorable gap. And now we try and hold the line around over then zero level based on this FIB. And based on this FIB, the capitulation is 27 zone, it's 53 cents and even lower. So I don't think so we're going to drop that low to the low of June 22, because we can't compare the popularity of the AI sector in 22 and now. So it's kind of two different time frame stages, right? All right, that's why no money inflow yet, guys, on a daily, one thing. But maybe on a 12th time frame. No, on 12th time frame also, guys, no money inflow. That's why only the good moment here, the line start curve up. That's why I wish to see in the next upcoming days, the test of the buy line again, or at least to close the weekly favorable gap. $1 at a full field. I'm going to take a look for the futures entry. It's $1.45. So this is my alerts. I wait, not touch it. If from current prices, the render is rocket to the moon, I will be more than happy. So this is it. It's for the futures trades, guys. For the spot, my zone of interest is 53 cents. Maybe even lower, but I hope will not drop that low. Weekly time frame, guys, the chart looks kind of scary, not horrible, but we didn't test the take profit, this one, 18 level by FIB again. And this chart remind me the AVE. The AVE, I will let you show you. Let me show you. AVE USDT, just recently I showed you these zones here. Kind of similar price action, so we dump here to 18 level by FIB. And render rebound, so it's like, I don't know, this one, for example. But it's a weekly time frame. Let me show it on this one. Here, we rebound from the 18 level by FIB, this one, and now of course, now with some own troubles, but we come back again to 18 level by FIB. That's why I hope we will not repeat the other price action, right, and not come back again to 53 to sweep liquidity of that Donald Trump dump. And I hope we hold the line here. So the most negative scenario, I hope to see that just to fulfill $1.45 and continuation higher. But yes, keep in mind, it's possible to see even the 53 this summer. I don't like also this one, 1, 2, and usually we form something like this, 3 before the deeper correction. That's why if you're extra bullish for this project, guys, it will be not a mistake to take the profit at take profit line. It's $5.30 at the current moment. Add alerts to the line. My alerts added. Take profit line. I'm waiting this zone. It doesn't mean you have to open the short here. No, but it's not a mistake if you want to buy now on the fundamental value. It's a good option to buy. It's not a mistake to take the profit at 5.18, but not at some specific price. Because, for example, take profit line just in November was 7.30, and now it's in April 5.20. So it's $2 difference, right? That's why add alert to the line, like I did in this video and the previous videos. If we take a look, guys, now with other indicators, it's trade on and money power. Money power I showed you. Trade on, guys, we didn't see the signal take profit. That's why let's add alerts. Trade on, take profit from the sales on the daily. Here was a sell, take profit, buy, and we bounce it again. This one like 86, 87%. It was a good one, bounce. Now we got a signal to sell, all aligned at a test of a weekly favorable gap, bounce. And now I wish to see another drop, take profit, this money back signal, and new signal to buy. That's why I'm waiting. I'm waiting and not touching. If you want to open long now, I don't know, add stop loss here like 11%, 22 with second leverage. Also not an option for the trade. So better guys wait and not no rush. Daily, we're in the A3 zone. So it's not like disbelief or capitulation. Wait, the disbelief and capitulation zone, guys. Direction, also no signals to buy. My alert still in play. Burst trend is over, so I'm waiting the drop lower or signal. And ADZ, the last one. Oh, ADZ, I can show you on these charts. Let me show you USDT because it's the global render USD crypto. It's a global charts in average all exchanges. Based on daily time frame on the Binance, is soon we will see the accumulation zone here. And I think it's going to be the, yes, $1.45, $1.30, maybe even drop under $1. I don't think so, but it's possible. So weekly time frame, yes, it's neutral zone. So if something horrible happen, and yes, we can form a divergence, right? The similar to AVA, but I don't think so. That's why I wish to see something like this one. Right, please send a comment what you think about the render. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.